The biggest threat to a new marriage may not be conflict. It may be slowly stopping the conversations that created your connection. When couples first fall in love, they naturally ask listen questions. They want to know what the other person thinks and feels and dreams and experiences, and that creates connection. But then after getting married, everyday life takes over and conversations become about schedules and chores and responsibilities and money. And yes, you can live together and still gradually stop feeling known by each other. There is an easy solution. Protect just 5 minutes every day for an intentional listen conversation that has nothing to do with getting things done. Ask each other a few listen questions and really listen to each other's answers. Listen to connect. A small intentional listen conversation every day can protect a big connection over a lifetime. More about listen conversations and listen questions on our website.